So what we're going to be doing today is building some seat brackets. Well, we looked over it. Kyle recommended we should jump it off a cliff. We're currently on a piece of 2x6. I'll be designing a bracket from here back to the factory positions. This will be my view, so sitting really short in the car, plenty of headroom, plenty of elbow room too, so that's all super important. I will be sitting fairly close to the trans tunnel, but I would rather have to tuck my right arm in to shift than to smash my left arm on the roll cage. Okay, so here we have the stock steering column. I cut off the locking mechanism. You'll see it'll lock right there. I also cut off the tilt mechanism. So I took a piece of scrap. I machined it down to fit the taper of this. And then the main hole is the same size as the threads. So that will weld on fairly easily. I'll stick it back in the lathe to straighten it up. Then when I sit in the car, I'll be able to adjust this at the length that I need to make the steering wheel the correct length to me. So I will tack this up and test fit it in the car. So we've made our brackets. Everything's connected. The best way I've found to hold everything in place is to put a zip tie above, below, and then pull the two together. It holds it on. It allows you to adjust it. It allows you to move it around, get the correct positioning. All of the steering column mounts are done, tacked on. I'll just need to weld it when I weld the rest of the cage.